Now here on this Rubik's Cube, I will be showing you how to solve white correctly. I can solve white very easily without solving it correctly. And so step 1, get the white cross. So what you need here is pretend that there's a white here, a white here, and a white here, and a white here. You need a blue there and a blue there. It's always going to be there. A yellow there, it's already there. And a yellow there, it is already there. A purple there, not there. And a green there, not there. So, here's what you do first. So, see, this cube is already in place. So here's what you do. We're not on the white face, we're on the green face. You flip it up like that, now we're on the white face. And you do that. And now you have that. Okay, I personally just start with the white face first. So I just get the white cross without anything special on it. And then I get the white, then I get the, yellow there and things. Yeah, so then we're on the bottom face now. So, you do that, then that. And I'm doing this on a mini, so it's different. So if you look it up on a computer, I will be wrong. Because this is mini, the colors are mixed up. So this is what you do next. Now you have the white cross, but things are messed up on the white cross, which isn't good. So here's how I do it. I bring both of these two to the bottom, and then I flip them around like that. It looks identical, because it is. I either want all of them to be right or all of them to be wrong. Okay, so now we have this. And I'm going to bring all of the wrong ones down here to the bottom face, the pink face. And is that one right? No. So right now there's only one right corner. We've gotten rid of the white cross, but it will soon be back. Now, no. So, yeah. So now what we do is that, and now I just got a little confused. So we do that, then flip this around. So right now what we're doing is like escorting the whites to their places. It's pretty easy, but not very easy. So what you do is that, and now there's just one left, and you do this. And that. And then you do this, and you should have the white cross on some sides. So then what you do is bring all of these down to the bottom face, the pink face, again. And you do that, and that, and you trade places, pretty much. And then you do that. And there's a white cross for you. And And now it's time for the white corners. Now, I just gave you a pretty hard way to solve it, but to solve the white cross, because I mixed this up real good. And for this, you need to have yellow, 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 purple, 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 green, 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 and blue, 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 which is already there. And so this is not right. That is not right, because it's not white. So, yeah. And if it's not like that, then it's wrong, okay? So, yeah, I think, no, that's already in the right place. Yeah, it is. So, you move it out of the way so that you can bring this down. And then, so that this thing doesn't go just way down right there, and it just stays on that face. Then you do that, and there you go. So, wait a sec. Oh, yay. That's good. And then, yeah, so, no, that's not a proper mix-up, I guess. So, then we, will, so what do we do next? We look for the right corner. We look for it, and look for it, and look for it. And then we say to ourselves, hey, that's in the right place. Move it out of the way, bring that down, then it takes it up. Then, what you do is, you can do that, and if it appears to be like this, then that way was right, and whoop, there you go. Blue, 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 right, yellow, 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 purple, 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 green, 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 blue, 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 and white, 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 there. And of course, there's only pink, pink, pink. But you're not working with the pinks right now. So now what I'm going to do is show you how to do a checkerboard. You need a solved cube, and you need to know how to move a Rubik's Cube. Those are the two things you need to know, or have, yeah. So you do 1, 2 on this, then 1, 2 on that, then 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. De, be, le, se, me, he.